Started taking pictures or something, everybody focused on one thing. Then I went and looked at some of the others. That came in, which way I make a link? No, well, we've got an older back street around like Ivy Street and that.
Yeah.
That was where they got some views. Didn't have a map. I did, but no, it just said sort of a circle. Right on the way. Yeah. Going off my knowledge of fish, you'll have green, blue, and basically none of them are designated species, but all slow water species. You won't have any species like trout, salmon, things like that. They'll all be transitory through this stretch because it's so slow. They all like gravel beds. This is mud bed, so this will be common with species that go like fast flowing water.
You get them looking protected.
Very, very little. There's one or two bits. There was definitely some. I can't remember what it was, but basically because the river's all lined with structures, you sort of don't have much of a concern. We weren't supposed to do any work in and around the river itself, because that would confine it. If we were to raise the level along the river, we'd just have to create a bottleneck all the way along the channel, which we could do because we've never been able to stop. Right, so we're at the bottom, right here, we're at the bottom of the Clementhorpe flood cell. Essentially we've got Rowntree Park on our left, north, and then you've got basically open floodplain to the south. A lot of houses along the back edge of this floodplain, quite open, quite unconstrained. So the idea was, going back to the flow discussion and fast, slow, what the idea is to create as much capacity and as much opportunity for water to just pour out here. So if you think about York as the funnel in a bottle, essentially the water in the upper catchment will be building up that pressure. Through York it's coming through that nice little funnel, and here we want it to open out and basically take all the pressure out, so water can just bomb out as far as it wants. So you can see how wide and open this section of the river is. The options in terms of flood risk management, because some of these houses are still in the flood zones and they would flood in a 1 in 200 plus climate change event, the options proposed were an embankment basically through here. However, as you can see on our left by the Eberentias, essentially they're like the trees, which is a nightmare for building an embankment because it needs a nice big footprint. It puts a lot of weight on any tree roots and things, and the Environment Agency do not like trees near their embankments for obvious reasons. If the obvious reasons aren't apparent, it basically expands, causes them to fracture, and the embankment falls over. So any major shrubs, brambles, things like that that grow on an embankment will usually be removed. Anything that they like is typified by leafy material. The stuff they don't like is typified by woody material. So anything that's fibrous, tough, corded, they don't like on their embankments because it causes problems for the structural integrity. We'll quickly move on to somewhere with a bit of tree cover. But where we talked about here, you can see the two lines of trees. That was the other discussed defence line, basically part of Rowntree Park. And you can just see an existing flood defence structure at the edge of Rowntree Park as well.
So this area get flooded in 2016?
Yeah, almost everything down here was flooded in 2015. Properties not so much so, not every property was flooded, but as we go further up towards Fenenthorpe area, that's where we had the really bad flooding in 2015.